this?
Peter? Are you here?
Sally.
Peter, I'm sorry. I said things I wish I could take back. And you're right, I am impatient. You know how I know? Because I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, Peter. If you aren't sick of waiting for me.
Come here.
I'm really, really sorry about what I said about your mom. She doesn't look like an off-duty cop.
So crazy. You was so out of character.
You know, it just felt right.
How did you get through security without a ticket?
They just let me through.
How'd you get onto the runway?
I just did.
Are you okay?